So now we're going to look at solving decimal word problems using a two-step linear inequality. So we have here, for his phone service, Hong pays a monthly fee of $27, and he pays an additional 6 cents per minute of use. The least he has been charged in a month is $112.38. What are the possible numbers of minutes he has used his phone in a month? Use M for the number of minutes and solve your inequality for M. So if we go back up to that first sentence where it says Hong paid a monthly fee of $27. That monthly fee, you should recognize that as a flat fee, a one-time fee. One-time fee. Right? We've seen previously where we have constants. This would be a constant. And then it goes on to say he pays an additional 6 cents per minute of use. So there is a rate we're given regarding this service. And we recognize this rate as 6 cents for 1 minute. Okay. And then we saw this vocab word, the least. So that's going to be important. It says the least he has been charged in a month is $112.38. So this is saying the cost of the service has been greater than or equal to $112.38. Okay, so now we need to think about, okay, what can we write as an expression for the cost? And previously we saw equations that were in the form AX plus B equal to C. Well, in this case, we're going to use something similar, but instead of saying equal to C, we're saying, in this case, it's going to be greater than or equal to C, right? And we break down the different elements of this, what we saw before. We saw A was our rate. And in this case, that works out to be 6 cents per minute. We saw B was our constant. And in this case, this turns out to be $27. And then C here is that cost, that charge, that total, which turns out to be $112.38. So if we use all this information together, we're going to replace our expression for the cost with 0.6 cents times our variable. In this case, instead of X, we're using M plus the one-time fee is greater than or equal to $112.38. All right, so now that we have the expression, we can go ahead and solve for M. So we're going to start with subtracting 27 on each side. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and employ the use of my calculator for these, just for these, because these are in a separate assignment that says calculators are permitted. So we get 8538, so we get 0.06 M. It's greater than or equal to 85 38. Then we're going to divide by 0.06 on each side. So we get M is greater than or equal to, let's divide that by 0.06. We get 1423 minutes.